I see this cardinal bird. Wow, the color is nice. Hello, hello. Looks like he wanted to get some food. Oh, there. Oops, oops. Oh, you can have some. There, beautiful cardinal. Oops. Oh, he got one. Enjoy your food. Oops. Another kind in there, cardinal, it's black. What? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs. So for today, it will be just a very slow day for me. I don't need to water the plants because it rained the whole night. And actually, right now, it's drizzling. But I like to check our plants before I'm going back inside. So I don't see any pumpkin flower that opened today. Maybe because it's raining like this. And then our utong in there or the string beans. Oh, very green, healthy. The leaves are big. I think soon it will give flowers and then fruits. Our malunggay had we just trimmed the other day. Healthy, standing, not too bushy. So it's manageable to maintain like that. Our bay leaves doing good in there. This is dragon fruit in here, doing good. So, eto lang muna guys. Ayan yung paligid. Medyo cloudy. Yeah, on this part, it's very cloudy. Oh, I can feel the rain already. So, I'm going inside. Not much to do today. And look, get plenty tangerines coming. Oh, this one, ouch. Very small. Not good. Throw. Okay. See you again later, guys. Oops, wait. I saw this one. I get utong to pick. Need to make it fast. Raining. Rain is here already. I get one more in here. Wow. 3. One more in here. Look, guys. Never thought I will harvest today. I get 4. Oh, and the paria. I get paria in here. I will get, oh, there, guys. One more in here. There. Get this one, but still small. Maliit pa siya. One more in here. Oh, rain coming. Rain is coming. And look at the pepper. Oh, red. I don't know if Hadi pick this one. Oh, there you go. Rain. Hi, hi. Wow. I supposed to pick some calamansi again, guys, but I think I will get wet if I stay here. Oh, there. Ripe already, yellow. Sampulan natin. Yan siya, guys. Yellow na siya. Rain getting harder. Let's go. I get one. Wow. Ayan siya guys. Umuulan. Raining in Hawaii. And I noticed that one, the clouds in there. That one looks like a heart shape. There. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Soon it's lunch, guys, and it's like I miss eating malunggay or moringa leaves. So I will put that in a Simon. So let's get malunggay, guys. Ito yung aming malunggay tree. I planted this one when I came here in Hawaii. Okay, saan ba yung may maganda at young? Something with young leaves. Ito, mababa siya. Konti lang naman. I just need something, vegetable in the Simon. Wow. Okay na to, guys. Yan siya. Next, I will pick, this is basil. Okay na to, ilalagay ko din siya. Ayan siya, guys. So, let's go and cook lunch. Simple lang, meron na akong lunch. Especially this kind of weather, I need a soup. How do I clean the malunggay like this? Detach the leaves from the small stems. And this will take me a few minutes to do. So I see you guys later when I cook. Okay, done cleaning the malunggay. So this is the basil. Just do like this, detach the leaves. It will make my soup taste better. This is my noodles. So it's a Japanese style noodles with soup base. Oh, look good. And then I will add the malunggay and basil. Okay, solve ang lunch. So this is the powder mix soup base. And then this one is the liquid seasoning. Okay, put the noodles. Water already hot. This will take few minutes to cook. This is the malunggay with basil. Japanese style noodles with a twist with a Filipino touch, malunggay, and basil. Kaway-kaway sa mga fellow Ilocano dyan. Basil is something like, is it baraniw in Ilocano? I'm not sure, but I know my uncle used to put that and use that. What I see in there is smaller leaves. That's why I'm not sure if basil is the same as baraniw. Baraniw. You can also dip that basil in bagoong. Yeah. What you need?
Pepper and salt.
Pepper. Somebody making his lunch also. Somebody making sweet bread with egg egg spread, egg salad. And I don't really eat egg. That's why if you see guys, I don't usually cook chicken because I get allergy. I'm allergic to egg, chicken, fish. Oh, sad life, yeah. Okay, let it boil. Boil, boil, boil. What else? Chili. This one? Oh, put chili. Spicy egg sandwich. Mm. Me, what can I put with my soup also in here? What are these spices in here? Wala. Wala. I need to innovate also. Be creative. And we usually eat at home also because if we eat out, we get the stomach trouble. That's why better cook so you are sure that it is properly cooked, handled with care. You don't know how they handle food outside. Our stomach very sensitive. Okay, so see you guys later.
Tree bread.
What? If you can, why not?
Small, that's why.
Why not eat 3 pieces? Yeah. Okay. Mukhang medyo malambot na yung noodles. Next. Add the seasoning. Oops, ayan. I can smell. Smells good though. And I'm back. Mukhang okay na yung noodles. Add the malunggay and basil. Ayan. Masarap din sanang lagyan ng isang itlog. Kaya lang, magkaka-allergy naman ako. Kaya ganito na lang siya, guys. Okay. Drink little bit of pomegranate juice. Ooh, let's eat lunch. Look at this. Plenty malunggay. And the noodles. I can have a bite if you offer. Since I
Which one
shared
you want?
since I shared my noodles.
You need all of this.
No, just a
One
bite.
egg.
The egg. Hi. You sure? You maybe I'll just eat like this. Sweet bread. I like taste how you make the egg. Little only.
Good, of course.
Good. Very peppery. Plenty ground pepper. Good the basil. You can taste, yeah. With malunggay. Okay, kita kits later again.